I already got bit. He might got bit off. Oh no, there he is. Are you gonna need a net? Are you gonna need a net?
Yep, yep.
That's a nice peacock bass. Bring it over here.
Woo!
Well, you see me running, right? You see me running for the thing. Hope I don't fall in. Yeah, nice
Look at
peacock
the size
bass.
of that puppy.
Yeah, it's a nice looking peacock. Can you unhook him or you want me to?
Matter. Woo! I don't know if you take a picture. Dude.
Well, hold it. He's gonna like rip my hand off.
Get on this side because the sun's behind the back.
Well, this is your fish. You hold it.
It's okay. You're the one that does this. For a living, I don't give a shit.
Nice looking graphics
You want
on
me to
this
take a
thing.
little video? Here, do the video you explain.
Okay, well I gotta put him back. He's dying
Alright.
here.
There you go. Nice.
That's a good looking fish.
Yeah.
The size of that little monster right there. You see him? Oh, he went to your bait. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going. 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 Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Get me, baby. Get me. Get me.
I'm filming it. I'm gonna get the net.
Yep.
You gotta need the net.
Look at the size of this.
Yeah, it's a big one. You gotta pull the drag up. Like, yeah, hook it. Yeah, exactly. Bring it over, bring it over. No, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one right there. Oh yeah, man, we're gonna weigh this sucker right here. We are going to weigh this sucker.
No, I want it. Don't take it off. Oh, okay. You want to.
Fish, don't do anything stupid. That is a nice size peacock bass. Right on here.
Oh, well, no, you see, that's too late. You gotta put them on this side. Right here. No, right through there. It's right through there.
You're not supposed to, really.
Which side? 5 pounds. Yeah?
I can't tell.
No, it's all fucked up. It's not even registering.
That's...
Is it?
Yeah,
Take a picture.
hold on, hold on. This is not right. Hold on.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna just reset this. Okay.
No, don't kill it.
And that is 64 ounces.
Cool. Take a quick picture with your phone.
That is a massive fish, Dave. Congratulations. Wait. All right. I'll dump it.
Here.
No, you dump it. Be a man.
No, I can be a... Of course, dude. I just want to fuck them up. Come here, buddy boy.
Yeah, that guy's old. That guy will survive for a very long time. Okay, you're gonna have to like belly flop him like that. Did you see him? He was like looking at my bait.
Yep.
He was like, "Oh, forget that." He saw your shiner.
I'm sorry.
I told you that these shiners would be the money. Oh, it's a good one too. It's a peacock bass. Bring the net. Oh, bank.
No!
Yep. Hey, I think we're between Pinecrest and Palmetto Bay, according to the map.
Yeah.
Which my other guess would have been Palmetto Bay. No?
That boat right there, in that
No.
price range and what it is, with that continental trailer, unbeatable.
No, it's not bad. I agree that it's not bad.
And what Ivan was telling me, it's like, oh man, it's no brainer. It's a beautiful fucking boat. It really is. Like I really like. Because you can make yourself crazy fucking boat, and another boat, and another boat.
Yeah, there's way too many differences and they all look the same.
And another boat, and that's the way I was. I was like so fucking frustrated, man. Ugh.
Look, the current stopped. I don't know if you noticed. Oh, 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 oh. Recording any of this?
Oh god.
Oh, I don't even know how this thing works. I'm gonna have to catch something else. There it goes.
Good at that part.
You know, it's a new